Hey guys, John here. In this video, I want to tell you guys about the issue that I've had with my 2021 Toyota Tacoma. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Premium. It's a double cab, long bed. So I picked this truck up back last year in November timeframe, and the build for this truck was supposed to be like a very fast, very quick, overland inspired build for the channel. So that kind of started out quick with the Old Man Emu lift, the VTX wheels on it, and then it kind of fell off the channel, and that's not good for content. So that's exactly what I want to talk to you guys about in this video, and also kind of reintroduce the truck because we have a few more mods for it, and also explain to you guys its future. So John, why the heck did this truck just fall off the channel? You flew all the way down to Miami to pick it up, you were super hyped on it, and then absolutely nothing. Well, long story short, the bank lost the check. So the bank lost the check to the truck when I was driving it around, putting the Old Man Emu lift, everything on it, no issues with the truck at all. It had the temp tags and everything was okay. But then the bank lost the check. We're going through some real estate stuff to where I couldn't reapply for a loan. So basically the truck was then just sitting unregistered because I couldn't put any more temp tags on it and I couldn't drive it. So I was kind of scared to do more modifications to the truck because I didn't know if I was going to be able to keep it again. So definitely a learning experience putting, you know, this Old Man Emu BP51 kit on the truck, new wheels, tires. I mean, putting a decent amount of mods onto a truck that should have been good because I had the temp tags, but I couldn't properly register. So long story short, that is the reason why this truck pretty much fell off the channel, is just because I couldn't drive it. In that time then too, I got the Tundra, and there were some Toyota events to go to in January, and then the 2022 Tundra, the third gen Tundra, started to be the talk of everything, and then just occasional mods that I could easily take off this truck, I just kind of put on it, but it wasn't the main focus of the channel anymore. So that's okay, I get it, things happen, but it was very, very frustrating to have this vehicle, but not have this vehicle, if that makes sense. So didn't want to put on a bunch more modifications to it, just in case the inevitable happened, and I had to give it back for some reason back to the bank. So what is this truck's future? So in my live stream the other night, I was talking to you guys about we have a roof rack for it, we got rock sliders for it, I have some new headlights up here for it, interior LEDs, and just a couple more mods really for this Tacoma. And then we're just gonna test everything out, off-road it, and see how this truck actually is now that it's finally registered. Here we are in June and I got this thing back in November. So truck is fully good to drive, and I really do enjoy the Tacoma. So let's go over this truck real quick though, in case you guys are new to the channel. So one of the very first modifications we did, what's up Lizard? One of the very first modifications we did up at Yoda Mafia was we installed the Old Man Emu BP51 kit with SPC upper control arms. This kit, super smooth, super plush ride, and the travel that the truck gets out of it is awesome. We also did Icon Add-A-Leafs in the rear. I have that full video on my channel for you guys. The wheels that we went with are VTX wheels. I believe these are their Rebels, and we have wrapped the truck in 295 70/17s. And since I was finally able to drive the truck again, I finally just got it properly aligned. So we do have a body mount chop on the truck, but we are going to have to trim up a little bit of the fender well up here and trim back some of the pinch weld right there. We have blackout badging from Taco Vinyl, also a blacked out blinkers right there above the mirrors, and then we have the Yodaverse Heritage Grille right here, and we also have the Yodaverse fog lights too, which they're cool, but they kind of don't match the truck that much, so I think I'm just gonna take them off and put back on the OEM fogs with some last fit switchback LEDs. Coming down to the bottom, we don't have it yet, but I'm gonna be putting on the LFD skid plate up front. Up top, we're gonna get a LFD roof rack too. I have the bed stiffeners. Like I said, the full length Westcott Designs rock sliders. The Anzo headlights are gonna be going up front. And then I'll probably be putting back on the flated camper shell because one of the mods that I have to show you guys is a DIY inspired sleeping platform for this. So it's from Bam Beds. It's a dude that's starting out a small company, super high quality stuff from what I saw on Trail Tacoma. So he sent out a set for me to showcase with you guys, and that video will be coming up. coming on into the inside of the Tacoma, this is the TRD Off-Road Premium, so I have the JBL sound system, the moonroof in here, but nothing has really changed on the inside at all except for the tough skin stuff that I put on the truck. But other than that, inside pretty stock for the Tacoma. So I've really enjoyed driving this truck a lot. The Tacoma is due definitely for an upgrade for the new truck, the 4th generation that is coming out next year. So one of the main reasons that I wanted this truck was just to really see what the Tacoma life was about, gain some loyal Tacoma followers too, to roll that into the 4th generation Tacoma. Now, am I keeping this truck? The big question, am I keeping this truck until then? Well, I really don't think so. I think that this truck's time on the channel, after some more mods go into it and also some fun comes out of it as well, hopefully a camping trip, but it is very, very hot in Florida, and that was what I was kind of building this truck for, but wasn't able to drive it during the winter and springtime when it was optimal, and now it's very, very hot. But I think this truck's time is potentially numbered until maybe September, unless we gain a ton more subscribers, a ton more followers and stuff, and people that really, really like this truck on the channel. If those people come and stay, then yeah, I would be 100% more inclined to keep this truck. But as of right now, this truck's days are numbered. Kind of like this truck is when the Pro comes in. The 4Runner is the only stable one unless a crazy real estate deal comes to where I need the cash. But other than that, the Tacoma, to wrap this up, has been awesome. I really love this thing, and there'll be more videos coming on the Tacoma. So guys, that's it. Just wanted to explain why this truck came to the channel. Hype was there, died off real quick, and some of the future things that we have coming with this truck. So if you're new around here and you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. Returning subscribers, as always, appreciate your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.